Okay, now there's 4 cats. Whoa, some cats over there. Look at that one cat over there. I'll go to the side. Ayan, look at those cats. Oh, ayun, may mga cats sa may upuan. Ayun, no? There's some cats in the chair. Oh. No, don't scare them away. Natakot mo lang. Natakot yung mga pusa. Dude, that's so bad, dude. You don't scare away the cats, dude. That's so effed up, dude. They're not even bullying you. Well,
They bully me.
since when?
So I get revenge.
Revenge of what? You did animal abuse. You abuse your manpower. You white man. You abuse your manpower. I'm gonna call the police. This is you harass those animals.
Lord.
You harass those animals. You have no right to do that. Look, now you're in jail.